But guys, we've got to go over and check out Jason's black hatch again. He's already gotten busy tearing that thing apart, so we got to go over and see what's up. He's got some parts and he's got a plan, so let's go. Gentlemen, Cody, cold start for the win. Yeah, buddy. Make a little noise. Yes. Gentlemen, she's feeling a little rowdy today, and so am I. But I've only got like a 2-hour window before it's supposed to rain. And I'm on ET Street R, so we gotta get over there and get back. All right, we've arrived. Yeah, I think he's been a little busy. Oh, let's see what's been going on. What up? You've been busy. The front end's already standing. Oh, you wait for it, wait for it. Oh my God. Dude, you ain't messing around. Triple X block. Already starting to clean it.
I'm trying to say my R12.
Yeah, it's still got the R12 in it too, yeah. The old fitting is still on it. Man, this thing is clean under the hood. Look at that. And had a couple bolts break off of the water pumps. You can tell this water pump's original. I'm telling you, man, this is a 70,000 mile car. Original 70,000 mile car. If it's still got the original water pump on it, this is a 70,000 mile car.
Oh yeah.
Man.
The original radiator.
Yeah, everything. Like the hoses, the clamps, I mean, still got R12 in it. Looks freaking great. Triple X block. And you can see right here, this is why you come down south to buy cars, guys. There's not even surface rust on this car. It looks amazing. You got your whole pile over here, which most of it's probably not going back on, but got all the smog, the original headers, heads. You gotta hold on to some of this stuff. This stuff's in, like that mass air and all that. This thing's in great shape. Chill. Looks like, yeah, original throttle body, still had coolant going through it. Yeah, it was. It's a little crusty. Look how small them things are.
Oh, no.
It's crazy. That is awesome. Getting after it. And then you got some heads over there.
Here's the front porch.
Still not decided if you're gonna put these on or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna use these.
Yeah, they look clean. I mean, and they got 3924s in it, which is the right plug for a TFS. I wish you could tell what ratio rockers they are.
I don't know, push rods is about 1/2 inch longer
Than the stockers?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure enough. Yep. So I know the ones that come with the Trick Flow kit are 6'7", but that's with, you know, I don't know how old these heads are.
They're gonna find out.
Yeah, them things are clean though. They don't got many miles on them.
I'll clean them.
Oh, you clean them, okay. All right, guys, real quick, if you caught the video where we went and got this car, the deal with this car was that it was an extremely low mile and clearly an extremely clean car. The only issue, which we stated about 1,000,000 times in the video, was someone had done a less than ideal paint job and it had a bunch of orange peel in it. And to find a car in this condition, paint is easy. Finding, you know, no rust, perfect black interior, all that's the hard part. Especially even the quarter glasses, guys, were all perfect. And like we said in the video, the paint, for some reason, somebody that probably shouldn't have been painting painted it. And so, you know, his idea from the go was to take this thing down to metal, and make it perfect. And we still had a few Captain Obviouses in the comments. Oh, it's got orange peel on it. Well, thanks for the late breaking news flash. You know, it's like, but seriously, guys, this is how you buy a car. It's got the original ponies on it, mint black interior. You saw under the hood. It's everything's original on this car. So yeah, paint, okay, big deal. That's easy. You know, restoring interior and all that, that's not so easy. So had to cover that. But even at that, this car is just, I mean, it's laser straight. It's just, I can't wait to see it when it's painted. Because that's going to be it. Why somebody would paint it, I don't know, especially being low miles and, you know, all the trim, it obviously didn't sit out. So, all right, guys, so the situation is we got trick flow heads. We'll probably at some point figure out what cam it is, maybe not, once we get the timing cover off. But Jason's needing either GT40 or Cobra, upper or lower, not an Explorer. Unless, do you want an Explorer? No, I wouldn't either. Been there, done that. Yeah, Cobra looks so much better. But guys, if any of you guys have a Cobra or GT40 intake for sale, that if you're not local to West Tennessee, you wouldn't mind shipping. Exactly, yeah. With, you know, fair price, drop a comment below. Either myself or Jason will get with you, and he's needing it pretty quick, if possible. That would be great. But if any of you guys have one laying around you willing to sell for a reasonable price and it's in good condition, hit us up, drop a comment below, whatever, and we'll holler at you. But yeah, dude, I'm excited. Like, I knew you were gonna get busy. I didn't think you were gonna get busy. Like, we literally last weekend went and got this car. But I know you've been itching to tinker with something, so it's pretty freaking awesome. We're hoping you can make Ford takeover with it, but if not, understandable. But this is the old school way. Yank off the top end and do headers, pulleys, heads, cam. Doesn't get much better than that. In your home shop too. I like your shop better than mine. We drank a lot of beer in this shop. Yeah. A lot of beer in this shop. Guys, we did not tell you a story. Back in like 05, 06, me and Jason both had matching reef blue LX hatches.
I was faster.
Yeah, well, you had heads cam and all that. But we had matching hatches, and we'd go out to the track and park them next to each other and stuff. That was back in the day. That was like 06. But yeah, and now we've got black and red, so I think it's cool we both got cars still after all these years. All right, boys, so Stuart has yet to ride in the Coyote swap car. He's seen it, you know, obviously, checked it out and all that, but he has not got to ride in the car, so I'm gonna take him down the road real quick. Nothing crazy, just a little ride. And the noise in the back is the battery box. The freaking nut seized up on the stud when I was trying to fix it, so it rattles. I've actually, dude, you can go back and replay your RPM on this thing. I've actually shifted it like 7,900s. But it's, man, it's, I love it. It's like, I was short shifting a little bit. You short shift and it's not quite as exciting because it, you know, it just doesn't have the torque of the push rod. But I love it. Oh, it's not the turbo. See, I'm gonna have to go, since you bought a foxbody again, I'm gonna have to go get one of these so we can ride. Oh shit. Dude, you got the touch screen and everything in here. That's total baller status. Is this stock height?
Yep.
God bless.
Kind of.
Sort of.
Put new springs on it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Come up a little bit. Not much.
Well, that's freaking sweet. Got the system and everything on it. Yeah, we definitely need to go riding again. Got the stock ready. Look at that thing. Oh my God.
I mean, it's already starting to shine.
Yeah.
Look down in there.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's from 20, this is a 93, so 27 years. You see, there's the little Vallejo sticker right there. Look how thin that fucking thing is. Excuse my language. My God. Original, yeah, water pump. You can see it says Ford on the water pump. Original hoses. Look at that. 611 to 93. Date coated hose. It was starting to
Sway a little bit.
yeah, starting to sway a little bit. Original clamps. But still, though, I mean, this is how to get them. And they hadn't, you know, hadn't had 10 other dudes jacking with it. And yep. And I'm so jealous of this interior. Yeah, but so I'm thinking, like, do the CJ intake. The problem with those intakes is, like, it's not in the back, because technically in the back it clears, but it's up front because the throttle body's right here, and as the hood starts to go down.
Got a sledgehammer.
Yeah, we could just beat a hole in it. Why not? This stock hood needs to come off anyway. See how much heat, though?
Yes.
Lot of heat, guys. That's the downfall of the engine bays. They look really pretty, but you can just feel the heat radiating up out of it. Maybe one day we'll do something. Change it up a little bit. Pretty wild, you know, you can do so much with these cars. Pretty freaking awesome. All right, boys, we are gonna roll, but super excited again, guys. Stuart's car getting back together, and yeah, that's loud. But I'll have more updates for you on that car. Keep it tuned right here for that, and hopefully somebody's got an intake for him. Again, drop a comment below, get him fixed up with the intake. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna get home because it's raining and I'm on drag tires. Later.